guys, here we got another video. I've got this in the seat washing machine with a problem. The problem is the tub is seized. You see here, there's no planar bearings, but the tub does not move, and at the back the belt came off. And you can see if you turn this or try to turn this pulley here, it just won't move at all. It's completely stiff. So we're gonna have a look at that today. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is hang on, let me just show you this first. I've noticed there's burn marks here, or friction marks. Just highlight that for you, where the door seal has been rubbing. You see bits there, and there's bits in the bottom of this the door seal housing. So more than likely that's where the problem is. It's probably just stuck through to friction, got hot, too much clothes in there. So first thing, just need a flat head screwdriver, and there's a a clip behind this rubber door seal beyond the front. There's a little spring in the bottom there. If you just pop that out and just work it out, and you can see me here just removing the retaining clip for the outer door seal. You can see there, that's the retaining clip. So it should just pull away like so from the housing, from the front panel. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the inner spring. There's a spring there. So what I'm going to do is just pull the door seal off. I'm pulling it off of the tub. You see there, springs coming off with it. Get that out of the way. Just eliminate that. And the springs just fell in the bottom. Let me just lift the front of the machine up and retrieve that. There's a spring there. That's the tub retaining spring for the door seal. And as you can see here, the drum is free, so it was this door seal that was holding it due to friction. So what I'm going to do is, if you have a look inside here, there's a lot of muck inside here, which wasn't the cause, but I'm just going to clean out all this muck inside here. Just pop it on top, just show you there's a lot of this build-up of dirt. Okay, so all I'm going to do is put a bit of bleach inside here, inside this recess. This is where the seal hooks around the tub, and here you can see me just giving it a bit of a clean, get rid of some of that muck. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just remove the top cover. There's two screws on the back, two Phillips screws, and once you've removed them, just push the top cover back like so. So I can show you this area here where we're going to be working. Just set this camera down right. So what I'm going to do is put some fairy liquid around here, which makes it slip easy. So I'm going to refit this seal over this lip here on the tub, and the fairy liquid makes it a lot more easier to fit. So here you can see me just put it in place. And like I said, I'm just going to hook this door seal around the tub, the lip there on the tub. You can see there, a little bit fiddly, so I'll just speed this section up a little bit. Here you can see me just fitting it over, like you see there, that's fitted. And when it's fitted, you should be able to spin the whole seal like so. And just going to make sure there's a little drainage at the bottom there. Make sure that's situated at 6 o'clock at the bottom. They've all got this type of seal which drains water back into the tub. Okay, so all I'm going to do now that that's fitted, just going to fold the door seal inside the tub, because I've got to fit the retaining spring back on. I'll just show you that there. I've just tucked it inside the tub. And then all I've got to do now is somehow, a little bit fiddly this part, I've just got to fit the spring back around the door seal inner. Hold it onto the tub like you see there, just speed this section up. A little bit tricky and fiddly. And that's the door seal, the inner seal fitted, top seal fitted. So same procedure. Just got to put some fairy liquid around here because this door seal fits around the front panel, just clips in. So let me just smear some fairy liquid which make it easier, and it just hooks around like so. Just clips or hooks around the front panel. The door seal hooks around the front panel, and like I said, the fairy liquid makes it easier. You should hear it snap when it's finished, and you heard that snap complete there. So now I've just got to refit the retaining clip, and I'm just going to use a screwdriver to assist. I've got a little flathead there, as you can see. I'm just going to wheel that round, try not to damage the seal. Like I said, this can be a little bit fiddly, but just a bit of perseverance. And as you can see here, I'm nearly there. And there you go, that's the seal retaining clip fitted on the outer. So I'll just give this area a little clean, get rid of some of that fairy liquid that I used. Okay, now that that's done, all I've got to do now is just refit the top cover like so, and put the 2 screws in, and then moving to the back of the machine, just going to refit the belt. This groove side fits up against the motor pulley, and then it goes around the top pulley. You can see here, you don't need any tools to refit this belt. All you do is just hold it on like so and wind it round. If I can get it straight. Like I said before, just wind it round and you should hear it snap in place when it's fitted. And you heard that snap. And then once that's on, just gotta run it, spin it a few times, make sure it's seated correctly. Just show you there. And that's pretty much complete. So I've just a matter of putting this back cover back on with the screws, and here you can see I've got it plumbed in and everything seems to be running fine. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.